accessibility to healthy food. Research on the Chicago region conducted by Danny Block at Chicago State University and others show that people in the Chicago region do not have equal access to food stores, therefore reducing their access to healthy foods. One way to increase access to healthy food is to increase local agriculture and local production of food. In some places, there are policy obstacles, particularly planning policies, that must be changed in order for local food agriculture to grow and really make a meaningful contribution to the supply of healthy food in those communities. There are 2 newspaper articles in your packet that illustrate this point. In other places, there are new planning policies have to be created and implemented. Our goal for today is for you, planners from across the region, to cultivate and put into writing strategies, new ideas, your ideas for policy changes in your communities, and strategies that will put these policies into practice. We hope that you will consider specific regulations that need to be changed as well as to be proposed and implemented. We've put together a program for today that we believe will be a great jumping off point for this work. Amy Talbot, who we just heard from, will be talking about the regional context of local food production in the Chicago region. Dr. Kurt Winkle from UIC's College of Planning and Public Affairs will talk more about the connection between planning, local food production, and health. You'll hear about the concrete economic benefits of local food production from a panel that includes a planner, Ray Forgiani from Kenosha, Wisconsin, a local official, Dan Vadenheden from Niles, Michigan, and an urban agriculture practitioner, Orrin Williams from Chicago. To get ready for today, we conducted interviews of planners and practitioners from across the region. We wanted to identify the major challenges to the local production of food that all of them felt was really important. So Christina Silva, Amalia Turkowitz, and Stephen Krause will present the results of that study to you. After the study, we are going to break up into small groups so that you have a chance to identify additional challenges that you think need to be considered. Once we're done with that, we will consolidate that list and then ask you to prioritize it by voting on the challenges you think are the most important. After lunch, planning experts will analyze the top challenges and will provide you with ideas and models on how to handle them. We are very happy to have Dr. Alfonso Morales from the University of Wisconsin at Madison, Dr. Eric Strauss from Michigan State University, joining our own Kurt Winkle in this project. The rest of the afternoon will be spent in 2 40-minute breakout sessions. The small groups will be organized around those challenges that you consider the most important. You'll have a chance to consider 2 challenges, and we will have our planning experts along with Martha Boyd and Orrin Williams, our urban agricultural practitioner experts, here to rotate among the groups, provide advice, answer your questions, and give you ideas as you mull through this important subject. At the close of the day, we will ask for volunteers to tell us what they thought about what their plans are for promoting the local production of food in their communities. And then we will talk a little bit about what our follow-up will be and other opportunities for moving ahead in this subject.